Dear students, we have already started 7.2 exercise, the cube root. To find the cube root by prime factorization method. I taught you the two parts, second and third part, and in that I explained you the cube root means that we have to make the pair of three similar numbers to get the cube root. So now I'm going to solve two more parts in front of you and try the remaining parts yourself. Okay, let's do sixth part. So here is the number given to us is 13,824. So let us do the prime factorization of this method, this number. Dear students, I told you that cube root is represented by this bracket and it is necessary to write down this 3 for cube root in this bracket. Same here. If you do not write it, that means it is a square root only. This is a square root and this is cube root. You can very well see the difference between the two. So dear students, do not forget of writing this little 3 in the bracket of the symbol. Now as it is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. For 1, as it is not divisible by 2, we'll place a 0. It will combine with 3, carry it forward, the number becomes 13. 2 6 are 12, again 1 balance is there, 18. 2 9s are 18, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again it is an even number, so let us divide it by 2 again. 0 has no value, the starting 0 has no value, so leave it. Let us see 6. 2 3s are 6, 9. 2 4s are 8, carry 1. It will become 11. 2 5s are 10. Then again a balanced 1 is there, which is going to be attached with 2. It will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Again even number, so we'll divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 14. 2 7s are 14. So 2 2s are 4. Carry 1, 16. 2 8s are 16. Again it is even. Let us divide by 2. For 1, place a 0. It will become 17. 8s are 16. Carry 1, 12. 6 are 12. Then 4s are 8. Again even. Let us divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again even. 2 2s are 4. 1s are 2. Carry 1, 6. Now 2 1s are 2. Dear students, now take 1. Do not make the mistake. This is 1, not divisible by 2, so we'll place a 0. It will become 16. 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Then again even, divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry forward 1. Balance is 1. So 14. 2 7s are 14. Now 27, as you know that it is the multiple of 3, so we'll divide it by 3 now. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So dear students, in this way you'll get the prime factorization of this number. Now to get the cube root, you all know that we have to make the pair of three similar numbers. So let us see. Are we getting the pair of similar numbers? Yes. If you will get the complete pair of three similar numbers, that means it is a perfect cube. So let us write all these numbers under the cube root sign. So 3 groups of 2 and 1 group of 3. So we'll place them under the root. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is the first group. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is the second group. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is the third group. And one group is of 3, so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now dear students, from each group we'll take out a representative number from first, from second, from third and from fourth. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. That means the cube root of 13,824 is 24. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let us solve 9th part, dear students. Now 1,75,616. Don't get panic by looking at the larger number. Okay, this is again even, so let us divide it by 2. 0 is not divisible. 17, 8s are 16, 15, 7s are 14, 16, again 8, again dear students be very careful, 1 is not divisible, so place a 0. Then 16, 8s are 16, so 2, 4s are 8, 2, 3s are 6, carry 1, 9s are 18, 0, 4. Then 2, 2s are 4, 1s are 2, carry 1, 19, 8s are 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, for this one place a 0, 19, 9s are 18, 15, 7s are 14, 12, 6 are 12, so again 2 5s are 10, for 9, 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 17, 8s are 16, carry 1, 8, so 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 7s are 14, 4s are 8, 4s are 8 again even, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, carry, 7s are 14, 2, then again 2, for 1 place a 0, as it is not divided by 2, divisible by 2, 12, 6 are 12, carry 1, 8s are 16, 6 are 12, 2, 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 3s are 6. Dear students, I told you in the very beginning that you must learn the cubic numbers from 1 to 20. Otherwise, you will get stuck at this point if you do not learn. As 343, you will not be able to get whose multiple is this. So, it is quite important to learn all the cubic numbers from 1 to 20. So, it is divisible by 7 as it is the cube of 7. So, 7 4s are 28, carry 6, 63, 9s are 63, 7, 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So in this way, dear students, you will get the prime factorization of the given number 1,75,616. So let us make the pairs, first pair, second pair, third pair and one pair of 7. Now three similar groups of 2 and one similar group of 7. Let us write all these similar groups, pairs under the cube root in this form. So we'll write it here. One group is left, so we'll write it here. So now take out a representative number from each of the pair, right? From first group, let us take out a 2, from second a 2, from third a 2 and from last we'll take out a 7. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 7s are 56. So dear students, what is the cube root of 1,75,616? It is 56. So in this way you can solve the complete question.